Jai Jishu. As we have entered into the Holy Week, let's reflect on Palm Sunday. Today, we Christians celebrate Palm Sunday. When Jesus entered Jerusalem on donkey back, the people cheered and greeted him as they waved their palm branches. At that time, palm branches were the sign of conquering territory as sovereign of their victory. He was greeted as a victorious king. Rightly it is so, for indeed Jesus is the only true king. But his kingship is not what the world knows. Jesus said to Pontius Pilate, "My kingdom does not belong to this world. My kingdom is not here." The worldly kings and leaders of that time actually misunderstood Jesus' claim of kingship. They sought to take him out of the picture, for they were bothered and afraid of Jesus because of his kingship is the antithesis of the world's kingship. The kings of this world follow the rules of the game of chess. In the chess game, we know that everybody serves the king. Everybody is dispensable in order to serve the king. The pawns and other official ministers, hordes, including the queen, sacrifices to save the king at all cost. That exactly is the kingship that the world knows. But the kingship of Jesus is the opposite. In his case, it is the king who is willing to sacrifice himself in order to save the lowly pawns. It is a kingship based not on power and dominion, but on love and total self-giving. Jesus says, "I came so that they might have life and have it more abundantly." Jesus enters Jerusalem as a victorious king. The people rejoiced and chanted, "Hosanna to the Son of David," as they waved their palm branches. What they did not realize was that the victory of Jesus will come at the price of his own blood on the cross, giving up his own life that others may live. As we begin the Holy Week, we also wave our palm branches, declaring the victory of Jesus. Unlike the people of Jerusalem, we know that his victory comes from his ultimate sacrifice on the cross. So, as Christians, we should also be preoccupied with the Father's business, the business of love, self-giving, and self-sacrifice. It is only in dying to our selfishness, it is only in total self-giving, it is only in genuine love that we can also join in the victory of Jesus in our own world today and for eternity. Thank you.